Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you these birds that I've been doing. This is my own bird and I cut it out. I've cut several templates out. Sorry, I've cut several of these out. Cut several out at once because I never know when I'm going to use them. But you get the body, then that's the tail, and then of course the wing. And what I've done is I've just done two very different ones to show you. I'm going to show you this one first. Sorry, that one first. And do you remember when I did the little white leaves? Well, all I've done is just dab them with a finger dobber using the what colour did I use? Dusty Concord. So that's what I've used, and I've cut the stem off and then attached it to here. And then with this, again using the dobber, well, what I did was I turned the bird upside down, pressed it onto the pad, and then dried that while it looks like a stippled effect. And then I edged it again using the paint at the finger dobber, but a little bit darker around the edges and darker in the wing. And that's what we've come up with. And then just put a little purple bead in here and edged it all in stickles, and it's come out quite nice. So that's that one. It just shows you the variation of them. And then this one I've used the what I now call the Sharon technique, SM scrapper technique. Now if you see the colours in that, I've used the orange, the green, and I think they were the only two colours, yeah. But the way they've mingled in together as well is giving you like a brown colour. And just a little diamante there. I did go over it in gold, rub and buff. And then what I used was, you remember that jar of this? It's absolutely brilliant. Dries really quick, the glitter gel. So I used that. Oops. And just gone over the whole thing, which is giving it like a green tint as well. You can see that green tint. So look at the colours in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Spreading over the glue to start with, putting the alcohol inks on it, and then heating that till it bubbles. Wait for it to cool down. Go over it with your finger gently with the gold. And then I've just painted that on, that glitter. So I've got a different one altogether. But it just shows you. We'll put them that way, like that. What effect you can have. Just testing, basically. So I hope you like those. There we go. I'm going to be using them. I'm going to do some tutorials tomorrow and use these. So until then, I've had enough now. It's now 20 to 1 in the morning. And I've had enough. Got a couple of videos to watch and then I'm off to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Good night.